everyone, my name is Arna Diwan. First of all, let me start by demonstrating something to you. So, when I wear this, how do I look?
Cool.
But for me, this is like a safe space because I don't have to make eye contact with you all, with you people. In due course of time, I realized that making eye contact is a very important thing. So today I'm going to share with you all how you can improve eye contact and also what are the benefits of it. So first of all, how you can improve it. So it is important that you strike a balance between making eye contact and looking away occasionally. Whenever you're speaking with someone, you should maintain eye contact and also not occasionally to show that yes, you are paying attention and also that you're interested in what they are saying. Another thing is that you can also practice at home in front of the mirror because that is your safe space. And you can watch public speakers, your colleagues and also your friends who are good at maintaining eye contact and learn from them how you can also do so. Now, making eye contact with people who maybe you're meeting for the first time or who intimidate you could be a bit tough. But there are many advantages of doing so. In interviews and conversations, it shows that you're confident and also comfortable. Also, in normal conversations, it shows that you're honest and you're not hiding anything. It shows your transparency. The engagement in a conversation is also evident. It also helps in building good relationships. Additionally, you can also be good like non-verbal cues, like it reveals your true emotions and intentions. So, maintaining eye contact is a simple yet powerful tool in enhancing both personal and professional setting interactions. So, don't forget to bring this practice of making eye contact into your life if you haven't already. Thank you.
Wow. Please continue because this is simply awesome. She has said everything in a flow. There was a structure, there was pointers, there was stressors, and everything was like perfect. Arna, was this so tough for you?
So,
It was somewhat, but still, what made you take up this challenge?
I want to improve myself.
So now you feel comfortable. Can you look at them and say thank you to each person taking their name? Start.
Thank you, Shu. Thank you, Preeti. Thank you, Dia. Thank you, Akshara. Thank you, Rohit. Thank you, Karina. Thank you, Saurav. Thank you, Dia. Thank you,
Dash.
Yash. Thank you,
Wow. It was not difficult. It was not easy for her. It was extremely difficult for her. It was a lot of anxiety that she faced while she made eye contact. So today she has dared to stand here and speak and overcome her fear. So can all of you, overcome this fear of public speaking. It's not difficult. It's a little messy. Every time you have to tell yourself that no, I'll do it. And be ready to face even if people mock you. Didn't you have that fear that what people will think? You had. But in spite of that, you moved forward. So move forward in spite of your fear is what she's trying to tell us. And I think she has already proved. So each and every one of you can be a very good speaker, a very effective speaker. One more thing, which is on the other side of what she said, is you have to make eye contact with the audience. But as an audience, it is your responsibility to make eye contact with the speaker as well. Because if a speaker is standing here, she's sharing something very valuable to you, she is giving your time, you are giving your time to her. So it has to be a mutual respect.